मिसा उपरांत येवकार वास्को पालिकेन बिरेस्तारा फुटपाथीर बसपी सामान विकप्यांक हालोवपाक लायले। फुटपाथीर केल्ले अतिक्रमण रस्त्यार चलप्यांक त्रास करताले। कोर्टाच्या आदेशा प्रमाण फुटपाथीर सामान विकपाक बंदी आसा। कोर्टाचो हा आदेश वास्तवांत पाळपाक मुरगांव पालिकेन हे पावल उखल्लां। आरडेक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Footpaths are meant for the people to walk, not for this people to do business on this. Whatever business they are doing, they have now come on the roads. Encroachment on the roads is not allowed. So I have identified some places like Golden Bakery, then Classic Building, then Sulphur Apartment, Bombay Spare Parts, fast food. Some are fast food people are doing. They are coming on the roads. They have occupied the entire footpath. So this I will clear it, and this is required. Because whatever is happening is not correct, and there are also directions from the high courts to remove clear all the footpaths. So we are going ahead with that. Not only today, we have already started the drive from 1st of January. This roadside selling of fish, selling of vegetables is not allowed, and I will not tolerate these things. So we have already started this action against the footpath, whatever vendors are there. So we have already, my people are already there round the clock to see that this is stopped. Roadside selling of fish, roadside selling of vegetables invites the accidents. So I don't want any person to fall prey to this for these illegal activities. And when there is a big market of Vasco, I don't understand what is the logic behind selling fish at every nook and corner. They can pay some nominal amount to me and sell the fish. If they want to intend to do some business, no, they can come to my this thing. There is also one market, this Baina market is there. We have exclusive municipality has taken pains to spend lots of money and build this type of this thing. I don't understand. They have to come to us, pay some nominal, and start selling the fish at the dedicated places. This illegal unauthorized places cannot be allowed, and I will not tolerate these things. See, fish being a perishable commodity, I cannot keep it anywhere. So I have started to send fish to old age home. I also want to know whether this Sankwal, some people, boys are there, if they are accepting this thing. So I will send it to them. And this municipality has already taken the initiative of Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat in all sorts of things. We have already initiated a survey of abundant vehicles by the side of the road. So I have already issued notice to all of them to remove of their own. If they are not removed within 14 days, then I will have to tow the vehicles, put it in place, and sell it as a basis.
म्हणजे फाटी एनलायटेड सिटीजन म्हणजे भायल्या थोड्या लोकांनी म्युनिसिपालिटी रिप्रेझेंट केल्लो आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीन बरे स्टेप घेतल्या कॉन्फिस्केट करून आज नुस्तें पळय हाडल्या. दीस अ गूड ड्रायव्ह आनी हेजे परिणाम असो जातलो की फाल्यां हे नुस्तेकार रस्त्यार नुस्तें सांडटात आनी वचतात विकतात तांकां फुटपाथ क्लियर करपाचें आनी क्लिननेस ड्रायव्ह बऱ्यांतले बरे स्टेप म्युनिसिपालिटीन घेतले. आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी हेज्या फुडें सुद्दां ड्रायव्ह कंटिन्यू उरूंक जाय. कित्याक ही मरे नुस्तें सगळें घाण सोडटात रस्त्यार आनी लोकांक त्रास करता. इवन ट्रॅफिक हॅजार्ड इज देर आनी एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हाय कोर्ट फुटपाथ क्लियर करपाची जबाबदारी म्युनिसिपालिटी आज बऱ्यांतले बरे स्टेप. दीस इज फर्स्ट स्टेप बट इज टूड कंटिन्यू. म्हाजें म्हणणें अशेंच. आनी दुसरें म्हाजें म्हणणें कितें नुस्तें हें पळय कॉन्फिस्केट केला पळय तें सांडच्या पेक्षा तेंच्यांनी ओल्ड एज होमाक दिता म्हणून ही बरीच बरी गोश्ट. कित्याक थंय गरीबांतले गरीब भुरगे आनी रस्त्या वयले भुरगे आसा तांकां तरी जेवणाक करतले बेश्टे वेस्ट केल्या पेक्षा. अँड दीस शूड कंटिन्यू.